Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and of course we will be checking out the markets one after the other to see what the markets will be giving to us tonight and see how we can make a lot of money from the market. Okay, so we will be doing that together. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make money online within this forex market. Okay, all you just need to do is just to understand the strategies, practice very well on your demo account, and apply them carefully whenever you are trading on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the if you're not joining me live and direct as I'm doing this, then you need to have a check on the chart again before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what you have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and of course right from here the market actually got to a resistance zone, and of course it played around there for a while. Since it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, it started a downtrend. That is why you are seeing more of the red flag than a yellow flag. Okay, and of course guys, it gave us more sell order right here, and of course we had the opportunity to sell for a very long time. Got to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it had a pull up for a while, and of course it will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It picked up a buy order right from this support zone and kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend right from here, and of course got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above that, and of course it started selling right from there. So this is selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from here, came to an end at this support zone, so right from there it started an uptrend, and of course it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and of course let's check the current chart. Okay, it started an uptrend right from here, and of course it kept on going up and up, even though the movement was not that smooth, but it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it, so it is starting a downtrend right from here. Okay, so we should focus on that. Okay, since it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, so we should be experiencing more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.